this is another unboxing. This time I'll be doing the Insignia 1080p HD Full HD high definition camcorder. Insignia is a Best Buy's home brand, and as you can see, they stopped making these a while ago. But they still have so many in stock, and the original price was $350, but I got this for $90. I'll be doing a quick unboxing. It has a touchscreen. Full HD, like I already said, flash, LED, HDMI, 10 megapixels photos, and 12 times optical zoom. And let's just unbox this thing. And I think it's black. I don't think they make any other color. This would, I'm guessing, would probably be the software and the little manual guide, the PDF version of the guide, and then a quick start guide and the warranty stuff, quick setup guide, I mean. So then we open up the box. Actually, the box came like this. It was just like this because this is like in the outlet center now. This is the charger. So just put the battery in. Wow, the battery looks big. Just look at that thing. Okay, now we have some this is the thing that goes in the wall outlet, and then this connects here, so charge the battery. USB cable. And you have the AV cable. It does not come with HDMI cable. But for $90, I'm not complaining about anything. And here's the camera itself. As you can see, it's just empty. It's just simple. Here's what the camera looks like. It does come with the lens cap. It does not have one of those automatic lens cap that when you turn off the camera it shuts off from the inside. It's a manual lens cap, but it does come with the little string so you don't lose it, so that's one good thing. As you can see, on microphone, this is a stereo microphone. It says stereo and then left and right, and it says 12 optical zoom, CMOS sensor, full HD. This probably does not do true 1080p, and if it does, it only does it at 30 frames per second, like almost all the cameras. Or it might just do 1080i, I don't know. But and one of the other good thing about this camera is you can set it to 720p at 60 frames and 30 frames, which is the main reason why I got this, because most 1080p cameras nowadays you can set it to lower quality, but you can't set it to 720p because you can only set it to 1080i, and it just takes up way more space. Or even if you can set it to 720p, you can only do it at 30 frames per second, and there are only really a few cameras out there that can do 720p at 60 frames, 30 frames, and also 1080 and 1080i and all that. And this one also does a 240 frames per second slow motion. I think it's just TV resolution, like VGA resolution, so that's another good thing. So this does high-speed shots, and 3-inch touchscreen. So here, open up the camera. This is what it looks like. So zoom button, the photo button, and as you can see, there are a lot of things on the back. And then wait out 1 minute. Get the battery open. This is where the battery goes, and as you can see, this is the lens, the flash, the LED tripod mount, and their buttons are menu, that crap, and then this is a touchscreen. I'm going to hate this because a cheap touchscreen it sucks really bad. As you can see, this button's already do, you probably know. So thanks for watching.